I know you have been wondering and asking, how do I get the festival so look nice, golden and pretty, just like this? And the secret is out. I use Grace Festival Pack Mix. Yes. Over here, we're doing easy life over here. We're 40 plus women. We are go through perimenopause and so much other stress in our life. We don't want nothing else to stress you out. We choose easy over here. Okay. So depending on how many people you'll be cooking for, then go with the amount of pack. For me, I usually use 1 to 2 packs for a family of 4. Then you open up your pack and you're going to tip your water bit by bit. If you're not familiar with kneading dumpling, yes, making a dough, then you tip little at a time to be safe. Better to add less water bit by bit than to pour too much and then you find the dough too soft to water, right? I like to start off with a spoon when I'm kneading my dough, and then once everything is combined, then I go in with my hands and I'm going to knead it, roll it until it combined, nicely done, just like that. And then after everything is combined, then I usually like to cover it up and let the dough rest a bit. Especially, when I'm doing like my fish and festival, escovitch fish. Now, this is a time when I'll go ahead and start working on my fish. Then I come back to my dough. After it's rested, you see how it's more easy to work with because it is relaxed at this time. Then you're going to pinch off pieces. Depends on all this different size that you want, right? And the difference between Jamaica festival and Jamaica fried dumplings. Festivals are long. Fried dumplings are round. So don't get them mixed up, right? Now you learn something. So I'm going to roll them out in that shape in the long form. And usually I just make a little dent sometime in the middle just to flatten it a bit, right? The other difference with festival, it has cornmeal into it, right? And fried dumpling don't have cornmeal. Festival also have a little sugar, so it tastes a little bit sweet. Some people add different things into their festival. Tell me in the comments, by the way, what else do you add to your festival? I don't like it with cinnamon and all the spices in it. I just like it like this. Then you're going to heat your oil. Not too hot, but hot enough for the festivals to fry. If it's too hot, then they're going to burn. They're going to burn up. And you want them to maintain this nice golden color. Give them enough space because they're going to expand. And you don't want them to, bunch up in the pot on each other, right? Let me know in the comments how many of these festivals would you have with this escovitch fish.